There is an irony in composting that catches serious gardeners more often than casual ones. The gardener who is committed enough to build a permanent, thoughtfully constructed composting structure is the same gardener most likely to build a structure that impedes rather than supports the process inside it. The correlation is not coincidental. Commitment to a structure encourages investment in solidity and containment, and solidity and containment are precisely the properties that work against aerobic composting when they are maximized without accounting for oxygen exchange. Aerobic composting, the process that produces finished compost in 8 to 12 weeks through high-temperature microbial activity, is an oxygen-dependent process. The bacteria and fungi driving rapid decomposition are obligate aerobes. They require oxygen to function and they produce carbon dioxide as a metabolic byproduct. In a correctly ventilated pile, that carbon dioxide exits through the pile structure and the exchange creates a gentle convective draw that pulls fresh oxygenated air inward from the pile base and sides. This passive convective oxygen exchange is the process that maintains aerobic conditions between turning events in a correctly designed composting structure. In a sealed or nearly sealed structure, solid timber walls without gaps, a tight-fitting lid, enclosed base, the carbon dioxide produced by microbial respiration has limited exit pathways. As CO2 accumulates in the enclosed pile atmosphere, oxygen concentration drops from the 20% of normal air to the 2 to 5% range where aerobic microbial activity slows dramatically and the anaerobic community that tolerates low oxygen conditions begins to dominate. The pile cools because the aerobic heat-generating community has been displaced. Sulfurous odors appear because anaerobic metabolism produces hydrogen sulfide rather than the carbon dioxide of aerobic decomposition. The beautifully constructed solid bin is producing slow, odorous, cold composting as a direct consequence of its construction quality. The design principle that prevents this is ventilation integrated into the containment rather than containment prioritized over ventilation. The Miracle-Gro dual-chamber compost tumbler builds this principle into its structure. The rotating drum provides the oxygen introduction of regular turning through the mechanical action of rotation rather than requiring manual pile turning, and the ventilation in the drum structure allows continuous gas exchange between the pile atmosphere and the surrounding air. The dual chamber means one side is in active decomposition while the other is curing, allowing continuous input and output without disrupting the decomposition phase in progress. Proper ventilation keeps the aerobic microbial community active instead of allowing the oxygen depletion that solid structures create, and the tumbler's design specifically addresses the balance between containment and ventilation that overbuilt solid structures fail to achieve. The link is in the description. Build the infrastructure. Build it well. But build it to serve the biology rather than to contain it. Subscribe to Garden Guru. The product links are in the description. See you in the next one.